Hello everyone, welcome to the Medical Chats. This video is about vitamin B1 thiamine as we have started vitamins. We all know that vitamins are really important for the complete metabolic processes of the body and for the proper functioning of the human body, as vitamins are mostly coenzyme for various enzymes involved in important metabolic functioning. So the active form of vitamin B1, which is thiamine pyrophosphate. Thiamine pyrophosphate is formed by the transfer of the phosphate group to thiamine. The daily requirements of vitamin B1 is 1.2 mg in adults, and in infants it's about 0.3 mg. Vitamin B1 rich food includes eggs, potatoes, milk, fish, oranges, cheese, peas, and nuts of all types are highly rich in vitamin B1. So what's the role of thiamine in the body? Thiamine is a coenzyme for the enzymes involved in the formation and degradation of alpha ketones. It's also a coenzyme for the oxidative decarboxylation of alpha keto acids. What are alpha keto acids and where the oxidative decarboxylation takes place? We all know in mitochondria, in Krebs cycle and citric acid cycle. In the whole process of aerobic respiration, vitamin B1 thiamine is really important coenzyme. The oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate and alpha-ketoglutarate occurs in the presence of thiamine as a coenzyme. Thus it's really important in all the cells of the body, but mostly in central nervous system and in muscle cells. It's also a coenzyme for branched-chain alpha-keto acid dehydrogenase in muscle cells. Vitamin B1 deficiency results in diseases which are unfortunately quite common around the globe. These include BERIBERI, which is quite common globally, and WERNICKES syndrome. BERIBERI is the most common vitamin B1 deficiency disease around the globe. Severe thiamine deficiency will result in BERIBERI. Severe malnutrition and low thiamine food are its main causes. Low thiamine food also includes the polished rice, which are the commonly used rice around the globe. Brown rice are quite uncommon. There are two forms of beriberi, the dry beriberi and the wet beriberi. So here, let's have a look at dry beriberi first. This is a patient of dry beriberi. You can clearly see from his condition that he has severe weakness. His muscle mass is lost. He has emaciation. The muscles of his body are highly reduced. In dry beriberi, the most important thing is neuropathy. The nervous system of the patient is highly damaged. The periphery parts of the body, the foot and the wrist lost their sensations and motor ability. There is foot drop and wrist drop. Great weakness is seen in the patient. He is unable to speak at all, and mental confusion overcomes the patient. The peripheries of the body become numb due to the vitamin B1 deficiency. Severe tingling or burning sensation is felt. All the tendon reflexes are lost, completely lost, and the muscle become painful and tender. There's a huge difference between dry and wet beriberi. Dry beriberi, as we have already discussed, results in neuropathy, whereas wet beriberi results in cardiomyopathy. The heart of the patient becomes enlarged. Edema is quite common. The peripheries of the body of the patient, like hair, his legs and feet become swollen. This is due to the loss of the fluid from the blood vessels. All the fluid diffuses into the extracellular spaces. This is due to the fact that the blood vessels are highly dilated due to vitamin B1 deficiency. Edema results, and you can see here in the X-ray of this wet beriberi patient that the left lung seems to be quite small. Actually, it is due to the shade of the huge heart he has. The Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. In the patients with severe vitamin B1 deficiency, abnormal eye movement is quite common. Their eyes cannot focus at a single point. Mental confusion, because the vitamin B1 is an important coenzyme for various enzymes involved in the metabolic processes of the central nervous system, and there is loss of muscle coordination too, because the aerobic respiration cannot take place properly because The vitamin B1 thiamine is a coenzyme for the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate and also of alpha-ketoglutarate. Confabulation is the most interesting symptom of Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, as the patient makes his own stories and believes those stories to be real. Hallucinations are quite common, double vision, memory loss, and unable to form new memories also.